Hey there! If you're a parent, you've probably felt it. That slow building anxiety though every time you walk past your child's room. Toys everywhere, clothes flung over furniture, half-drawn artwork, and mystery crumbs on the floor. Don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news? You don't need to spend your weekend knee-deep in Lego to fix it. Today, we're breaking down a stress-free way to declutter and organise your kids' space, without the drama, the meltdowns, or the mess reappearing 3 days later. 1. Start small. Keep it simple. First things first. Ditch the all-or-nothing mindset. The biggest mistake most parents make is thinking they have to overhaul the entire room at once. Not true. The secret? Start with a single shelf, one drawer, half a toy box. Just focus on progress, not perfection. These small wins add up, and they build momentum. Plus, it's much easier to keep your child engaged when you keep the task short and sweet. 2. Involve your kids. But keep it light now. Involving your child might sound like a recipe for disaster, but it's the key to long-term success. When kids have a say in what stays and what goes, they feel a sense of ownership. That means they're more likely to keep it tidy, or at least know where things go. The trick is to make it fun. Put on some music, set a timer for 10 minutes, and turn it into a game. Can we beat the buzzer before this drawer is done? Avoid pushing too hard. If they're struggling to let go of something, ask, "When's the last time you played with this?" Or, "Do you think another kid would enjoy it more right now?" Gentle nudges work better than battles. 3. Sort smart. 4 simple piles. When you're in the zone, use this easy 4-pile method. Keep items your child uses or loves. Donate toys or clothes still in good shape but no longer used. Bin broken or beyond saving store, seasonal clothes or items your child has outgrown but you're saving for later. This method keeps things clear and avoids the emotional overwhelm of "what do I do with this?" 4. Create easy systems, not Pinterest perfection. Let's be honest, most organising systems on Pinterest look gorgeous and fall apart within a week. The goal here isn't perfection, it's function. Choose storage solutions that suit your child's age and habits. For younger kids, open bins and clear containers are brilliant. You want them to see what's inside, grab it easily, and put it back without needing help. Label everything. Use pictures if they can't read yet, and avoid overstuffing. When the container's full, it's full. That's the limit. No new toys unless something else comes out. And remember, you don't need to spend hundreds on fancy containers. Shoeboxes, baskets, or even repurposed tubs can do the job beautifully. 5. Zoning, group like with like creating zones, is a game changer. Put all the books in one spot. Blocks and building toys together. Art supplies in one box. Dolls in another. It helps your child know where things belong and develops their independence in cleaning up. Also, try keeping daily use items within reach and storing less used items out of sight or high up. Fewer choices often mean less mess. 6. Build mini habits that stick. Don't aim for a perfectly tidy room 24/7. Instead, build in quick reset habits. A 1-minute tidy before dinner. A 5-minute cleanup before bed. Make it part of the daily rhythm, not a punishment. You can even turn it into a game. Let's beat the timer, or how many things can we put away in 60 seconds? Consistency is more important than length. Tiny habits, repeated daily, become routines your kids do on autopilot. 7. Rotate toys to reduce clutter. Here's a parenting hack you'll love: toy rotation. Rather than keeping every toy out at once, pack some away and rotate them every few weeks. This makes toys feel fresh and exciting again. It reduces visual clutter and encourages deeper play. And guess what? Less mess for you to manage. Win-win. 8. Regular reviews. Without the guilt, decluttering isn't a once-a-year activity. Every few months, do a quick sweep. What's broken? What's outgrown? What's gathering dust? Make it a regular part of family life. No guilt, no pressure, just a regular reset. Teach your kids that letting go isn't sad. It's a generous act. Their unused toys could bring joy to another child. 9. Don't be afraid to ask for help. And here's the honest truth. If the thought of doing all this still makes you want to cry into your coffee, you don't have to do it alone. At Clean House Melbourne, we help families just like yours take back control of their space, without judgment, stress, or overwhelm. Our house managers and decluttering specialists know how to create calm, functional spaces that work for real life. Messy toddlers, moody teens, and all. Clean House Melbourne, simplifying life, one organised room at a time.